In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle a package stuck in transit using Chrome or the Temu app. It's a pretty common issue and it can be quite frustrating. Don't worry though, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you know exactly what to do to track your package and possibly secure a solution. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to open Chrome on your computer or the Temu app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're using Chrome, just type in the Temu website URL and enter your login credentials. For the Temu app, tap on the app icon and you should be automatically logged in if you've done that before. If not, simply enter your login details as prompted. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your orders. This is typically found in the main menu, often labeled as My Orders or simply Orders. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent purchases. Carefully scroll through and find the specific package that you suspect is stuck in transit. It's usually easy to spot if the status is not marked as delivered. After selecting the package of interest, take a close look at the tracking details. This will contain all updates regarding your package's journey from the seller to you. Sometimes you might find an explanation for the delay or when to expect the next update. It's important to review these details thoroughly. If the information seems outdated or you're looking for the most recent update, go ahead and refresh the page if you're on a web browser or pull down to refresh on the Temu app. This simple action can sometimes provide you with the latest status update on your package. In cases where the tracking information that remains unclear or seems like it's not providing useful insights, it's a good move to contact the shipping carrier directly. You should be able to find the carrier details in the tracking information. They can sometimes provide extra details that are not immediately evident on the app or website. If this doesn't resolve your concerns, or if you're still unsure, reaching out to Temu's customer service is a great option. They have specialized teams to support you with delivery issues, and they can often offer assistance or additional insights on the status of your package. Finally, if all else fails and you're finding the situation unacceptable, you can request a reshipment of the item or a refund through Temu. They typically handle such requests within their customer service departments. Make sure to explain your situation clearly when making this request to expedite the process, and that's how you go about dealing with a package stuck in transit using Chrome or the Temu app. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check back for more tips and tutorials.